Want to sound instantly like you're from Jakarta? Just add deh or dong. Hey! If you're learning Indonesian and want to sound less like Google Translate and more like your favorite warung abang, you need these two magic words, dong and deh. No, they're not names of K-pop idols. They're little words that Indonesians sprinkle into conversations all the time. Dong. Think of dong as the friendliest way to say, come on, please. It's like adding a polite little nudge to your request. Here's an example. Tolong dong. That means please help with polite mode on. But wait, dong isn't always sweet. Say it with a different tone and boom, it turns sassy or even angry. Jangan gitu dong. When you say, jangan gitu dong, that means don't do that.
Here's pro tips.
It's informal, great with friends, but maybe skip it for job interviews, unless your boss is super chill. Deh. Now this one is a little more mysterious. It has multiple vibes, but always keep things soft and informal. Number 1. You can use it when you want to suggest something politely and give a little gentle push. Examples. Sini deh, saya bantu. Come here, let me help you. Makan dulu deh. You should eat first. Number 2, it's sort of it can't be helped tone. Like, terpaksa deh. I had no choice. Ulangi lagi deh. I had to redo it. And number 3 is for extra emphasis. For example, nakal deh orang itu. He's really naughty.
Recap.
Dong. It's a polite nudge or persuasive push, unless you are mad. Deh. Friendly suggestions, resigned acceptance, or low-key emphasis. Tone is everything in Indonesian. Say it sweetly, you're a sweetheart. Say it annoyed, you're in a soap opera. So, sprinkled in dong and deh, and you'll go from textbook chat to chat like a champ real fast. So try it in your next convo. Iya dong, coba deh.